Hello, young explorers. Welcome to SUNANDA'S Academy. Today, we're going on a journey to the heart of our planet to uncover the secrets of rocks. Rocks are everywhere. They make up mountains, form the beds of oceans, and even hold the stories of creatures from millions of years ago. There are three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Each type forms in a different way and tells us something unique about the Earth's history. Let's dig in and discover more. Think of the Earth like a giant recycling machine. Rocks are constantly changing and transforming from one type to another over millions of years. This incredible process is called the rock cycle. Are you ready to learn more? Let's start with the rock that forms from fire: igneous rocks. Deep inside the Earth, it's incredibly hot. So hot that rocks melt into a flowing liquid called magma. When this magma cools down and solidifies, it forms igneous rocks. One way igneous rocks are formed is through volcanic eruptions. When a volcano erupts, it spews out hot magma. This magma, now called lava, cools and hardens on the Earth's surface. Examples of igneous rocks formed this way include basalt and obsidian. Igneous rocks are very strong and durable. This makes them useful for building materials. For example, granite, another type of igneous rock, is often used for countertops and monuments. Now, let's move on to sedimentary rocks, formed from tiny particles that settle and harden over time. Imagine rivers carrying sand, mud, and tiny pieces of rocks. Over time, these particles settle at the bottom of lakes and oceans. Layer upon layer builds up, pressing down on the older layers. The weight of the new layers, along with dissolved minerals, acts like glue, compacting the particles together to form solid rock. This process is how sedimentary rocks are made. Sedimentary rocks often contain fossils, the preserved remains of ancient plants and animals. These fossils give us clues about what life was like on Earth millions of years ago. Sandstone, limestone, and shale are all examples of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are used in building materials, and some types, like limestone, are used to make cement. They can also hold clues to valuable resources like oil and natural gas. Next, we'll explore metamorphic rocks, rocks that have been transformed by heat and pressure. Section 4. Transformation, time metamorphic rocks. Deep within the Earth, where temperatures and pressure are extreme, a remarkable transformation takes place. Existing rocks, whether igneous, sedimentary, or even other metamorphic rocks, can be changed into new forms. This happens when rocks are exposed to intense heat from magma or the pressure of overlying rock layers. They don't melt completely, but the heat and pressure cause the minerals within them to rearrange, creating a metamorphic rock. Marble, a beautiful and durable rock used in sculptures and buildings, is a great example of a metamorphic rock. Slate, another metamorphic rock, is formed from shale and is often used for roofing tiles. Metamorphic rocks are known for their beauty and durability, making them valuable for building and decorative purposes. Their presence can also tell us about the powerful forces at work within the Earth's crust. Now, let's take a closer look at igneous rocks and explore the difference between intrusive and extrusive types. Section 5. A closer look at igneous rocks. Intrusive versus extrusive. Remember that igneous rocks form from cooled magma. But did you know that where the magma cools makes a big difference in the type of igneous rock that forms? When magma cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface, it forms intrusive igneous rocks. The slow cooling allows large crystals to grow, giving the rock a coarse-grained texture. Granite, a common intrusive igneous rock, is easily recognizable by its large visible crystals. On the other hand, when lava erupts onto the Earth's surface and cools quickly, it forms extrusive igneous rocks. The rapid cooling doesn't allow time for large crystals to form, resulting in a fine-grained texture. Basalt, a common extrusive igneous rock, has a smooth, almost glassy appearance due to its tiny crystals. Understanding the difference between intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks helps geologists decipher the history of volcanic activity and the formation of landmasses. Now let's wrap up our journey by revisiting the incredible rock cycle. Section 6. The rock cycle continues. We've learned about the three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, and how each is formed. But the story doesn't end there. Remember the Earth's amazing recycling system? Over millions of years, rocks are constantly changing and moving through the rock cycle. Igneous rocks can be broken down into sediments, which then form sedimentary rocks. Heat and pressure can transform any rock type into a metamorphic rock, and the cycle continues. The rock cycle is a fascinating and continuous process that shapes the Earth's surface and provides us with valuable resources. So next time you pick up a rock, remember the incredible journey it has taken over millions of years.